Hello, and welcome to our video tutorial on how to add stickers to your WhatsApp status on Android. Stickers are a fun and creative way to personalize your status and make it stand out. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the steps to add stickers to your WhatsApp status. First, open WhatsApp and go to the Status tab. Tap on My Status to add a new status. You can either capture a new photo or video or select one from your gallery. Once you have selected the media, tap on the sticky note icon at the top of the screen. Next, tap on the stickers icon to access the built-in sticker options. You can select a sticker from the available options or choose from the stickers that you have already set as favorites. If you want to explore more sticker options, simply scroll down to find additional sticker sets. Once you have found the sticker you want to use, tap on it and it will appear on your screen. You can move the sticker around by touching it and sliding it to your desired position. You can also resize the sticker and rotate it as per your preference. If you want to add more stickers to your status, simply tap on the stickers icon again and repeat the process. You can add as many stickers as you like to your status. Once you're happy with your status, you can post it by tapping on the send icon. Your status will now be visible to your contacts with the added stickers. In addition to stickers, you can also add text to your status. Simply tap on the AA icon in the editing tools and type in your message. You can customize the font, color, and size of your text as well. Adding stickers to your WhatsApp status is a quick and easy way to make it more personalized and expressive. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.